Okay, so we've created this blog now, but as you know, we need some content for it. And not just any old content, but we need some content that's going to help us to convert some of our visitors into either buyers or clickers on our ads who might make us some money. So coming back to Firepower 2 here, I'm going to show you how easy it is to generate some content for this blog now. And not just any old content, but content that is highly targeted to the keywords that you choose, that is varied varied in the kind of content that it is, whether it's articles, videos, feeds. There's a lot of different kinds of content that we can generate here, and also content that is as unique as possible. So let me show you how this works. So basically all I do is I come to this page in Firepower and I enter in my keyword list here. So I've got a list of 10 keywords that I've researched here that are good, or that will be particularly good for this niche that I want to target in order to help me sell some products about that. So I enter my keywords in there, and then I come down and I choose what kinds of content that I want. So I want a couple of articles, I want some blog post information, I want some videos, and I want some, let's say, some content from Yahoo Answers. So I tick the kinds of content that I want and I hit search. So what appears below now are my search result items. So it basically tells me that it's found these different pieces of content that I wanted on the right keywords, tells me where it found them, and so on and so forth. And I come down to this bottom area and I can select how I want these to be added to my blog. So I can choose, for example, that I want to add one piece of content every day, or that I want to add on a random schedule if I want to do that. Let's say I want one piece of content per day. I want it in the sequence that it appears above, and I want to add an anchor, which is where I can add a piece of text that will appear on every post below, or below every post, which is a great place to put an affiliate link so that you can make sure that anyone who reads or views any post, the last thing that they see is your affiliate link. So I would enter here, click here to learn more about my home baby food secrets. And I would add my affiliate link into this particular bar. I'll do it very quickly. It's just I won't put in a real affiliate link, but that's where I will put my affiliate link. So I've got my affiliate link in there, make it bold so that it stands out a little bit more, and that's gonna monetize every post that I get now. And then finally, I want to choose that I will post 5 of these items immediately, so my content comes up. So some of my content anyway comes up straight away, so I don't have to do any work. My blog's off the ground, it's up and running. So I finish that and I click Content Blitz my blog. I receive the message that the Content Blitz was successful, and now I can look at my blog. So I can come back here and we'll refresh this page now. And this is the result. So let me explain to you briefly what we've got here. So firstly, I'll just kind of drag this over so you can see. So as we scroll through this, you can see that I've got a bunch of content on my blog now. So without having to write anything, without having to do anything, I've got some content on my blog. So the thing to realize though is that this is not just any old content. So firstly, let me point out that each of these posts is targeted exactly to the keyword that I entered, or to one of the keywords I entered. For example, one of my keywords, make baby food. This post is targeted to make baby food. It's important because that keyword will now be in the permalink of my URL, so it gives me the best chance of ranking for that term in the search engines. If you check out the code of this page, you'll also find that these keywords are in the meta tags and the description in the right places, basically, so that this post can do everything it has to do to get ranked correctly for the right terms in the search engines. Now, not only that, but there's many different kinds of content here. You've got video content. We've got this post should be this is some different blog posts with some links out to other blogs so that I get trackbacks and backlinks coming back to my site, and many other things. So you'll see it's a very easy way to create content very quickly. But the thing that you don't see here, and what's so cool about this, is that what I've also done just then before your eyes is to set up my blog so that content is going to be continually added to this blog in exactly the same way, same varied, optimized, great content. It's going to be added every day now, just as I told it, for the next however many days until my keyword list runs out, after which time, of course, I can go back add more keywords in and get more content. So I've basically set myself up with enough content here that if I don't want to, I don't need to write anything else ever again. And of course, if that wasn't clear, these posts are also this post is now monetized with my affiliate link here. So affiliate links to the product. So as you can see, this is a very easy way to quickly add a lot of content to your site, automatically monetized, perfectly optimized for exactly the keywords that you want.